Hi everyone, welcome back. This is everything I picked up at CVS and my second haul for the sales week of September 6th through September 12th. I got the spend 25, get a $10 gift card, the spend 30, get 10. I did the Crest, the Poise, the Nivea, and then the Axe weren't giving back any extra care bucks, but I did have really good CRTs for that. In the first transaction, I did pick this up on Sunday. It's the spend 30, get 10. I picked up 2 of the Tampax Pure. Ibotta was giving back $3 for each one. So I picked up 2. They were priced at buy one, get one half off. One was $7.99. The second one was $3.99. I had $1 off of each one. They were manufacturer coupons. For the large Tide, they were priced at $11.94 on sale. I had a $3 off of one Tide manufacturer coupon, brought the total down to $3.84. On the All, they are on sale this week for $2.99. On Sunday was the last day to use your manufacturer coupons. I had $1 off of one liquid and brought that total down to $1.99. The Tide Pods, $4.94. I had a $2 manufacturer coupon, brought that down to $2.94. My total before coupons for the spend 30 get 10 was $31.85. I had $8 manufacturer coupons that brought my total down to $23.85. For the Poise this week, these are priced at $5.99. Buy one, get $2 extra care buck, a limit of 1. So I picked up the Poise, $5.99. I had a $3 digital coupon come off. It brought it down to $2.99, and I got a $2 extra care buck, making them 99 cents. I did have a $2 off of a 16 pad tampons CRT that I tried to use with the Tampax and the Poise. That didn't come off because it was clipped to my card, and I feel like CRTs that I clip to my card hardly ever come off. So I expected that to come off and it didn't. So I did pay $2 more in this transaction than I should have. Taking a look at the receipt, there's the All at $2.99, Tide Pods at $4.94, the Poise on sale for $5.99, the Tide on sale for $11.94, and then both of the Tampax tampons, they were priced at $7.99 and one at buy one get one half off for $3.99. $2 off of the Tide Pods, $1 off of the All Liquid, $1 off of the tampons, $1 off of the tampons, $3 digital for the Poise and Depend, one $3 digital for the large Tide, and then the 2 off of 16 didn't come off. I rolled $24 in extra care bucks. I paid $3.07 with tax, and then I got back 10 for the spend 30 get 10 and $2 for the Poise. On the Tampax Pure, Ibotta was giving back $3 for each one. I only have 2 on my receipt. See? None. I only scanned 2. I was only supposed to get $6 back, but Ibotta gave me back $9. For my second transaction, I only picked up this Nivea lip. This was priced at $3.59 at my store. I did have $1 off of a Nivea lotion or lip CRT that I clipped to my card. I paid $2.49 plus tax, and I got back a $2 extra care buck. Here's the receipt for that. $3.49 minus $1 CRT. It was $2.49 plus tax. I put that on a Fetch Rewards gift card, so I didn't pay any cash out of pocket, and I did get back the $2 for buying one. The Axe this week are priced at $5. They're not giving back any extra care bucks. I picked up 2 for $10. I had $1 off of 1 for each manufacturer coupons. I had a $3 off of 2 Axe CRT, and then I had a $2 off of 8 body wash CRT. Taking a look at the receipt, they're on sale for $5 each. I had the $1 off of 1 manufacturer coupons. I had the $3 off of 2 Axe shower gel, and then I had the 2 off of 8 body wash. I rolled $2 in extra care bucks. I paid $1.07 on a Fetch Rewards gift card, and then I didn't get anything back for this. So these were $3 or $1.50 each, which is not bad because I like to get these for my husband. In my last transaction, I did the spend 25, get a $10 gift card, and the Crest deal, which are buy 3, get a $5 extra care buck, limit of 2. So over here I picked up 2 of the Aussie. They were priced at $4.39 in my store. Yep, $4.39, and they were buy one get one 40% off. So one was $4.39 and the other one was $2.63. I had a $2 off of 7 Aussie or Pantene CRT, and then I had a $2 off of Aussie hair care CRT. For the Pantene, I picked up the 3 for $15. I had a 3 off of 3 manufacturer coupon and a 4 off of 14 Pantene CRT. And then I picked up the Revlon Kiss Balm. These were priced at $5.49 in my store, and I had a $5 off of Revlon CRT that printed last week for everybody. So I did have a 3 off of 3 Pantene digital coupon that I clipped to my card that also glitched and came off of this deal. My total before coupons was $27.51. I had $19 come off for all of my manufactured coupons, and then the $3 glitch that came off. That brought my total to $8.51, and I got a $10 gift card, making all of these items $1.49 moneymaker. For the Crest toothpaste, they are buy 3, get a $5 extra care buck. I maxed out the limit because of the coupons that I had. I picked up 6 at $2.99 each, brought my total to $17.94. I used a 3 off of 18 toothpaste CRT. It does fall within the 98% rule, so it did come off. I had a 6 off of 4 Crest digital coupon that I got on Sunday that I clipped to my card. I gave her 2 $1 off of 1 manufacturer coupons to cover the other 2. And then I had a $1 off of 1 Crest digital coupon that glitched and came off too. My total before coupons was $17.94. I had $12 in coupons that brought my total down to $5.94, and I got a $10 extra care buck for the toothpaste, making it a $4.06 moneymaker. Taking a look at the receipt, there's 3 Pantene, 3 for $15. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 toothpaste priced at $2.99. The Revlon Kiss Balm at $5.49, and then the Aussie one at $4.39, and then the other one at $2.63. 3 for the Pantene, $1 for the Crest, $1 for the Crest, 6 for the Crest, the Pantene that glitched and took off 3, the Crest that glitched and took off 1, $5 off of the Revlon Kiss Balm, 4 off of 14 Pantene, 3 off of 18 Oral Care, 2 off of Aussie Hair Care, 2 off of 7 Pantene or Aussie. I tried to roll $17 in extra care bucks, but with the glitches that came off, it took my $5 off to $4.45, and then it didn't use my $2 one, so I got that back. I rolled the $15 in extra care bucks. It used $14.45, and then I got back the 20 extra care bucks, making this transaction a $5.55 moneymaker. Looking at the final cost for all of these items, I started off this week on this account with $29 in extra care bucks. My subtotals for all 4 transactions came out to $6.33. I added the extra care bucks that I started with, and then the cash out of pocket and the Fetch Rewards gift card that I used. It came out to $35.33. I ended with $25 in extra care bucks for this week. I got back $9 on Ibotta, so that leaves me at the end with $34 in extra care bucks back in cash back. So the $35.33 that I spent and in the extra care bucks that I rolled, minus what I got back, leaves me with a final cost of $1.33 for all 21 items, or about 6 cents each. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you got to make your way out to CVS to grab some deals. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.